Hey, are you searching for a 360-degree action camera? Then this video is for you. Before we start, please don't forget to click the link in the description below for the best price. Today we're diving into the Insta360 X5 Essentials Bundle, and honestly, this might be the most impressive 360 camera I've ever tested. The headline feature here is the dual January 1st, 28-inch sensors that are 44% larger than the previous generation, combined with a triple AI chip design that dramatically improves low-light performance through advanced noise reduction and image processing. You can shoot stunning 8K 30fps 360 video or 5.7K 60 fps with active HDR, and the 72-megapixel still photos capture incredible detail. What really sets the X5 apart is the replaceable lens system. You can swap out damaged lenses in seconds with a repair kit, and the new optical ultra-hard coating makes them far more scratch-resistant than before. The Invisible Selfie Stick effect automatically removes the stick from your footage, creating impossible third-person views that look like they were shot by a drone. FlowState stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock deliver buttery smooth footage even during action-packed moments, while the new built-in wind guard with a multi-layer steel mesh reduces wind interference and enhances voice clarity for vlogs. The battery life is phenomenal, up to 208 minutes at 5.7K 24 fps, which is 54% longer than the X4. And you can get to 80% charge in just 20 minutes with fast charging. The InstaFrame mode lets you capture a ready-to-share 4K flat video, while also saving the full 360 file for later editing, making it perfect for social media content creators. Now for the honest drawbacks, the camera is pricey at $524.99, and the X4 is cheaper with similar image quality in good lighting conditions. You'll also need to invest time learning the app and editing workflow to get the most out of 360 footage. The camera isn't compatible with X4 accessories due to a different housing design, so you'll need new accessories if upgrading. But for content creators, adventurers, and anyone wanting to capture unique perspectives, the X5 delivers outstanding results that justify the investment. If you want to take your content to the next level, grab yours at the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.